yeah, we can basically do whatever. So I think our main goals here are to properly, how do you say it? I don't even know farming terms. You fuck the ground so that it basically becomes croppable. We basically have to fuck the ground up and then plant the seeds, and then we can go fishing again. God damn it! The fucking thing's closed. Fuck! My plan was so perfect. Why did it have to rain today? Why couldn't it have been tomorrow? Fuck. Angry. I am full of rage and misery. I only feel one of two emotions. Pure sadness or pure anger. Nothing else. Truly the duality of man.